Okay, hi guys, happy new year for 2021. In a few hours time, it's the 31st of December 2020. Just came for a drive out of Book, a couple of hours sort of south west to a little place called Turnu Măgurele. It's right on the border with Bulgaria. So that's the Danube, and over the other side, which is really not that far, 500 meters or so, there's it's Bulgaria over the other side. So just come down here for a couple of hours, have a look around. There's a little restaurant down the road, have something to eat, and then head back. But yeah, interesting old port facility up there, really, those really old style cranes with the pulleys and the winches, and yeah, so again the mighty Danube over there, Bulgaria on the other side, and somewhere down there where the camera's pointing there's a little restaurant. Don't know if it's open, but we're going to go have a look, see if we can see if it's open or not, grab something to eat. It's just interesting when you look at these two positions, and there's actually a ferry crossing here, so there is a customs point back up to the right. What's interesting when you look at these two positions from two opposing countries, that you would think there'd be more sort of defensive posts here looking at each other, given there's two established towns, but there's none on this side, but maybe on the other side in the rocks, in the cliff face, certainly, maybe. All right, hi guys, I'm still down at Turnu Măgurele. It's about 2 hours drive southwest of Bucharest. Strange little area because it's right down on the Danube. You can see Bulgaria over the other side, but like a lot of these port areas and old areas, they're slightly run down. You don't know whether things are still working. I mean, that's a really old looking factory. Trying to work out whether that block over there is still accommodated or used to be an old factory or not, or accommodation for the factory workers, or a business block, we don't know. But you can actually cross here from Romania to Bulgaria via ferry or by a boat. So you drive through here. We weren't sure if it was a real crossing point or not, but apparently it is. But that's Bulgaria over the other side. You can drive up here, hop on the ferry boat. I'd assume clear customs and everything here and go through, but I don't know. It's very, very quiet around here. Being that it's New Year's Eve, it's probably the way it is. It's very dead. But yeah, that is one area to get into Bulgaria from. A couple of the main crossings, one's up the road further called Ruse, but that's normally really, really busy because it's a land border crossing over a bridge, whereas this one is just by boat. So yeah, interesting. Just came for a drive, didn't know this one existed. Signing off. Second boats down there that they live on. Guys, if anyone watching this wants a movie where you want zombie apocalypse or land of the living dead or something, or you know, future apocalypse, come and use this as a set. It's like a ghost town, ghost factory. This building over here, the serial com or whatever, it's obviously still working, but it's the only real sign of life around this area. It's got a car and a guard out there, I'm sure, in the guardhouse, but the rest of this is all unused factory, run down, deserted. Maybe a good area for all you YouTube urbexers that come and want to do urban exploration and that. Come have a look around here. run away. Okay guys, just continuing this little trip we made down to Turnu Măgurele, and about 10 minutes down the road there's a little place called Poiana. I wanted to come down here because it's probably one of the points where the crossing between Romania and Bulgaria is at its thinnest. So if you're a smuggler or somebody running stuff across the border, it's probably an ideal area for it. And there's fresh car tracks here, and there's fresh car tracks going right down to the water's edge. Could be fishermen, but there's car tracks there. There's a car that's been down there just very recently because it's wet and muddy. But that's Bulgaria over the other side, and this is Romania here. So you can see the crossing between the two. Crossing between the two is very thin. We've got about, what, 50 meters, 100 meters? So yeah, maybe people just come down here to fish and have a drink. I know, but yeah, you could literally walk across almost to Bulgaria, which is there. So yeah, interesting little area. But this is where the Danube's at its thinnest between the two, and actually back up here, the border from Bulgaria actually crosses the Danube onto the land side of Romania, and then here it goes back over the other side again. So yeah, but you know, if you wanted to say you've been to Bulgaria and never have, swim 50 meters, go to the other side, take a selfie and come back, and you've been to Bulgaria. But yeah, like I say, this would be the perfect area if you wanted to bring stuff across the border without being noticed. And interesting. Alright guys, I'll sign off here. Cheers.